Sargent. Redmond. Oce, Lewis yn cymryd drosodd. A neb yn ei gael o lawr. Lewis i'r gydio drwy Pearson. Ac ar ôl cychwyn mor dda, mae Llandudno ar ei hôl i. Camgymeriad erchyll gan Pearson. 23 o funudau di mynd. Jones. Ond mae hwnna'n bas hyfryd ac at George Harriant yn rheoli hi dda. Croesiad i'r cwrt 6 a siaws gynni. Bod Cabango wedi llawio hwnna. Na di meddwl dyfarnwr a mae Llandudno'n lloerig. Sargent ar gecrydd. Hudson o'r arbediad gan Pearson. Ond mae gefn y rhwyd. Llandudno'n methu a chlirio. A Byrne o Ongildyn yn dyblu mantais y Seintiau. Kai Edwards. O Sargent yn derbyn y bel. Ac yn ei chwarae hi allan i Redmond chwilio am opsiynau. Ac yn canfod Brobl yn rheoli'n wych. O! I gefn y rhwyd a dyna chi gol gan chwaraewr gorau sydd ar y cae y pnawn yma. Y bas yn syth i'w draed o'n curo 2 amddiffynwr ac heibio Pearson. Bel yn cael ei chwirio allan o'r cefn. O'r dyfarnwr ar ffordd Toby Jones a'r bel yn cael ei chwarae drwy ddieb o'r arbediad da gan Pearson. Y dyfarnwr ar y ffordd. Yr ergyd gan Em. Arbediad da gan Pearson o chenaid o ryddhad gan Mr Hugh Jones. 5 munud o'r gêm y weddill y Seintiau yn dal i chwilio am fwy o goliau. Brobl i Spender a Brobl yn ôl i Routledge yn croesi a Greg Draper yn sgorio reit ar ddiwedd y gêm i greu tîm 4 gol i ddim. Wel, prawn da i'r Seintiau a triphwynt pwysig yn y ras am y bencampwriaeth.
Goals and a clean sheet dominated the game, and after we got the first one I thought it was very good play all round and defensively sound, so yeah, very good day at the office.
Yeah, obviously another disappointing result. We came with a game plan today, trying to nullify them, because obviously yes, they've been struggling as of late with results this season, but we've got undoubted quality in their squad, and we were thankful that we kept the clean sheet for so long, but a mistake came and then another mistake sort of rectified the problems really.
There's always been challenges. In the past we've had other teams that have been full time and they've fallen away, and you've got this time you've got Connors Key and Barry who are doing very well. We've had the likes of Bangor in the past, Glenethley, Neath, who have tried to push us, but for the last 7 years we've been winners, and obviously for the last 7 in a row now, and we don't want to let that go. But yes, I think the league's improved, and certainly it shows at the moment with people pushing us.
Yeah, well, we've got 2 massive games now against Carnarvon. Obviously 6 points. We go to Carnarvon at Boxing Day, so our full attention goes to that now.
Yeah, it's a big match on Boxing Day for you, and one that you will be looking forward to especially.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. It's another challenge, and I think the mentality of them lads and that changes now is bring on.